morning. It's Thursday morning and I'm a little bit nervous for what's about to happen. I've been in acute body pain, backache. Like even right now, my upper back I feel like somebody is punching me in there and somebody is like moving their fist inside my back. You guys know I did a physio consult with a doctor a couple of weekends ago, but I didn't really start physio properly. There is a really highly recommended physiotherapist who's actually really close to my house, who a bunch of my family friends have gone to. I have an appointment with him in the next 45 minutes, and apparently he also does the whole dry needling, cupping, whatever thing, which really helps relieve the back. I haven't been able to sleep properly the past 3 nights. I keep waking up. I literally find myself waking up in the middle of the night and just stretching, even with my eyes closed, hoping and praying that this pain goes away. We're about to go to the physiotherapist. I don't know how much he's gonna let me flog there, because obviously that's not normal. And I don't know about that bit, but I'm looking forward to just getting rid of this pain, because I've literally cried for a couple of nights and it's just been so painful. And I sleep, it's not like I sleep in a weird position or whatever. No matter how I sleep, there is a pain and I can feel it on my body even right now, and I don't know what to do. Okay, I've literally walked to the clinic. It was like a 3-minute walk from my house. I had a 9 a.m. appointment and they asked me to come 15 minutes early because I'm coming for the first time and I need to fill some forms and stuff. I've reached the clinic, but the clinic isn't open yet.
Oh no!
So yay for me, because I reached well before time. I needed to be here by 8:45. I've reached here at 8:42. You know, it makes my skin crawl to be late for things. But hello, if you ask me to come 15 minutes early, shouldn't you be there as well? So I'm gonna wait for a bit, obviously, for the clinic to open. As I've started walking, I realized that there's genuinely a nip in the air, which is so nice and strange, but in a good way for Bombay weather. It really is good weather today. I'm wearing just my usual Ghar Ka Zara t-shirt, not Ghar Ka Zara t-shirt, but you guys see me wearing this all the time, along with my H&M leggings. The one learning I have from my previous physio consult is that skirts are not the best idea for a physio consult. Did not know that before because that was my first ever consult. So I'm standing here outside waiting for the clinic to open, for the doctor to come. And my back pain when I started walking actually has gotten better. But man, I can't tell you how much it's been paining. I can only imagine what people with genuine who are in recovery, who are in regular therapy for after accidents. I mean, I can only imagine what kind of stuff they must be going through. मुझसे तो ये भी बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, just gonna be here for a bit and wait, listen to a podcast, and hope that I get to enter in soon.
So what you can do is now bend your neck as much as possible. No, sit straight. Yeah, you can just bend your neck down as much as possible. If you feel any pain, just let me know. Painful?
Not painful, but I can feel a pull over here.
On the right side only, or both the sides, or in the center more?
A little towards the right.
A little towards the right. Okay. Take the neck again to needle position. Back as much as possible. Okay. Is it painful?
No.
Or stretch or anything?
Fine.
Normal. Okay. Okay. Come back. Rotate to your left, right. Painful? You can do one thing. Just lie down.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that will be better. You'll have to remove the t-shirt.
Okay. I'm gonna put that off. Bunny is cracking sad jokes first thing in the morning. But I just got back from the doctor. Bye, baby. Have a good day. Okay, so I just came back from the doctor and I've got this band-aid on my back. Apart from this, the doctor also did dry needling for my back. I'm about to show you guys a picture of the dry needling. So if you do get creeped out by needles, please look away for a quick 2 seconds. I'm about to show it to you in 3, 2, 1. There you go. It wasn't painful at all. You can look back at the screen now. If you looked away, don't worry. I've taken the picture away. It was a quick second. It really wasn't painful to get it. In some parts it was, but it's not as it doesn't pain the way it shows in the video. It just looks weird and creepy, and now Jerry calls me his porcupine. But I'm instantly feeling so much better. This band-aid is supposed to help relieve some muscle tension, and I've definitely gotten feedback on my posture and on some of my like sleeping positions, and some of my I've got like 6 exercises to do every single day now, till things get better, after which they'll tell me exercises which are more meant for muscle strengthening. So that's where I'm at. I was supposed to shoot a bunch of things today, none of which I now have the energy for. There's no way I have the energy for much right now. I will try and do a couple of sit down shoots if at all. फैशन तो आज नहीं हो पाएगा because ये बैंडेड भी लगा पड़ा है, and I just want to go a little bit easy today. I'm a little sore, which is considered normal just after getting dry needling done. So I need to go back and visit the doctor on Monday. Yeah, that's where I'm at, and I'm about to sit and have nashta. I don't know if I'll do IF today. I'm really hungry and I'm feeling really like all over. The weather, however, this morning has been so lovely. Mumbai weather, Mumbai morning, finally a little nippy morning. I walked to the doctor's clinic, and even then I was like, ooh, nice, Bombay weather. I could totally pull my sweatshirts out now. And Jerry cringes at me because he's like, you Bombay people. He's a Delhi boy. I don't think he can help it. He can't help feeling this way about Bombay weather or Bombay street food. Conversation for another day. I'm going to just chill for a bit and have nashta. It's 1 a.m. and I'm not able to sleep. I'm fully taped up. Literally the tape goes all the way to my arms on both sides. I am in so much pain, and while the tape is helping me on my upper body, my lower body is in so much pain. I asked Jerry to use a Volani spray on me. I've cried twice today. I couldn't shoot, I couldn't move. I am feeling a little bit hopeless, and I think that it's culminating into this really bad mental spiral moment that I'm having. I've told Jerry a few times today that I need to get my health on track. I need to get my health on track. I need to get tested for vitamin B12 and D3. I need to get tested for a lot of things. I've just been so busy with work and stuff that I haven't found time to pay attention to my health. I've barely vlogged today because I just did not have the energy to. I'm literally vlogging in the toilet right now, in the bathroom right now, because Jerry is asleep. I can barely stand just ऐसे ही support लेके खड़ी हूँ मैं. It was better in the evening. It thought, okay, alright, it was the morning, afternoon that was tough, but going to sleep, finding a position that I'm comfortable in, it's just... Hi, I'm literally in bed. I'm lying down. I'm feeling like shit because this vlog was supposed to have a few interesting things. And it doesn't look like it's gonna have those, at least up until Sunday, and that also if I'm feeling better. I will leave timestamps in this vlog for different things, just so that you can skip to the good part.
Can we skip to the good part?
I can't even laugh because like my body shakes and it hurts. I'm currently laying in bed. I have a towel over here because one sec, I'll show you. I'm literally sleeping on 4 ice packs for my back muscles, those humps. What did the doctor call it? Scallops, something the other day. Parukhala, Nikita, Devesh, Sheikh have all threatened me that they're going to call Jerry and complain if I don't go and lie down. We were doing product shots earlier today, as I think you may have seen, and every time I bent to place the products and stuff, I could feel my back like just hurting. The muscles on top apparently are inflamed, so the ice pack is supposed to help. But I did spray some Volani on my lower back last night before going to bed because I felt like that was giving me some temporary relief. Food even this week has been such an up and down situation because Ram is on leave. He's gone to Gaon and I said, oh, that's fine, I'm gonna cook, it's totally okay, but I'm in no state to cook between work and this back. And I've there's some food that's been coming from Mama's house, which is like, alhamdulillah, thank God she lives close by, my parents are close by, or we've been ordering from outside. This has been going on for the past few days, and today is the 3rd of December, so there's 16 more days till Ram comes back. Paro Khala is of immense help, of course, as always, but right now I'm just literally flat laying in bed. It is what it is. Yeah, just got off a call with my parents, and my dad said, you need to be on bed rest for 3 days straight. This has happened to me. I haven't been on bed rest yesterday. Today I feel like I'm on bed rest, and I'm willing to rest out through most of tomorrow and not like at shoot, not like counting this vlog stuff, obviously. I was really hungry and feeling snacky. I have choco flakes over here and some kajus. I absolutely love both choco flakes and kajus. लेटे लेटे टीवी देखते देखते Netflix YouTube के बीच में. I've literally been woken up because Paro Khala has come and told me there's this huge package that has come for you. This is coming from Kunafa, and they've sent their classic cream Kunafa, Nutella Kunafa, and another one of their classic cream Kunafas. I'm so glad this came. Hi. I'm so glad that this package has come while you guys haven't left for the day, because you guys can all attack this like with me. Because Jerry barely eats meatha anyway. It's just us to finish it. Thanks, you guys. I can see you. I can see you. I can hear you.
How do you always know?
I always know.
How?
Because I'm like Jaya Bachchan from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
I'm not your son.
No, but you're my love.
Again, I'm not your son.
It's all about loving your family. You're my family. Hi.
पेट का दर्द सर पे चला गया तुम्हारे.
You came home early for me.
Yes. I did.
Who has the sweetest husband in the world? Me.
What? Meanest husband in the world?
Sweetest husband in the world. I've almost fallen asleep twice, and then I've
Go to sleep.
made myself get up.
Yeah.
I keep going outside and sitting with the team for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't feel nice lying down like this on a weekday.
You're not well now. You're not okay.
I'm all groggy now.
You're all groggy now.
Like, I keep going to like really groggy, or really up and awake.
But I thought you were on. Since when did you become groggy?
Parents. My parents called. They said they're gonna come to check in on me at night.
I know.
How do you know? Hi, hello. It is 9:11 p.m. I spent the evening with my parents. They came to check in on me, and please tell me I'm not the only one that just instantly feels better hanging out with their parents, like talking to them, chilling, just being with them. Sometimes I wish I still lived with my parents. I really do. Just gonna put that out there. My mom was like asking me 100 questions about how I was feeling and how my pain started and how it got so bad, and she was really surprised to see that I still have like this tape stuff on me. It literally goes from here, it's all the way here at the back, here, and literally all the way till this arm. She got me dinner because she knows that there's no Ram and I would have normally been cooking, but she was like, go easy on yourself. And my dad was like, stay horizontal as much as possible, just lie down. My father-in-law and mom-in-law are so sweet. They called and checked in on me and were telling me things to do and health tip type of things. पानी दे सकते हो? क्या हो गया? भाई वो वाला शूट थोड़ी है, ये वाला शूट है जहाँ पे तुम आते हो, तुम बात भी करते हो. हाय बोल दो. हाय. Hi. Paro Khala has been looking after me also, of course. I'm having dinner right now. Prawn curry for dinner. Jerry is outside watching something violent because I can hear gunshots. I don't understand why he loves so many violent things. I'll never understand. and I'm about to eat and I'm watching YouTube. I'm making a conscious effort to watch more YouTube and less Netflix, because the minute I get into Netflix, it becomes a series of things and then I can't detach from it sometimes. And when I watch YouTube, my brain is still in like work mode, because I'm like, oh, ye acha edit tha, oh, this is such a cool idea, and then I don't know, just keeps my wheel running. But I'm feeling better. I really am. My team is so amazing. They did not come disturb me. They left when I woke up from my sleep. When my parents came, there were like WhatsApp messages on my phone. Everybody did their job so well and went home, and they made sure, as much as I'm not feeling well, I feel so blessed that I have a team that does the job. And I don't mean to get emotional about this. Oh God, it's just a nice feeling to know that I have a set of people that does their job and cares enough for me to be like, go lie down and do this and do that. I'm always so touched with the little things that they offer, and I try not to like turn into a ball of tears 10 times a day, because that's just the kind of person I am. I'll end up crying out of joy, clearly. And you know, the gratitude I have for everything in my life makes me want to work harder, does make me work harder. It's just, oh God, I look so silly crying for saying thank you to like you guys and my team and my family. You get the point. Like I'm gonna sit and have dinner because I don't want to turn into a crybaby again. Oh, hello, quilled chore. Huh? Where are you going? घर छोड़ के जा रहे हो? Oh no! Hi.
What's up?
We're having a sleepover over here.
We're having a sleepover.
We're having a sleep. It feels like a slumber party. Why are we sleeping here? Tell them why we're sleeping here. My God, you look really blank for someone who suggested that we do this.
Because तुमने मुझे bedroom से निकाल दिया.
Sure. Huh? So Jerry suggested that I sleep on a hard surface. Our gadda inside on the bed is like really soft and you sink into it. So for my back, his dad said sleep on a hard surface. So he said go outside and sleep tonight. I mean, he's also joining me. So hi, this is me. And we're sleeping here. In case you are wondering why the sofas are covered, by the way, because you know it looks so freaking weird, it's because I'm trying to get one of those services that keeps the sofa clean with a spray. Till that spraying service is done, I'm just trying to keep it covered as much as possible. But I have no idea because the company is like ghosting me big time at the moment. That's why the sofa is covered. But we're sleeping here tonight and we're about to watch Money Heist because the new season is out today. Jerry, are you excited for Money Heist?
Yay!
Okay, so this is gonna be us and we're about to watch Money Heist. Okay, change in plans. My lower back started to pain while lying down on the hard floor rug situation. I couldn't sleep there. I wasn't very comfortable. Moving our slumber party sleepover setup. Hello, it is Saturday afternoon, 4th of December, I think. I'm feeling a lot better today in the sense that I literally spent the morning sitting up straight properly for a while getting some work done, but my lower back for some strange reason has started to pain since actually since last night, not this morning. So I'm kind of back in bed. I've just taken a shower. My hair is a mess. Everything's a mess. I don't care. It's real. Hashtag team keeping it real always. And you guys know that I don't like doll up and get ready on the daily. Like that is so not realistic to me, for me. If other people enjoy it, great, good for them. I'm currently sitting with my like little bed table and there's my laptop and my 2 hard drives over here. I need to just sit and transfer a buttload of data from my phone because my phone is starting to fill up. And I have the 512 GB 12 Pro Max. And that's a lot of storage, but I still need to clean it up, clear it up and start transferring things to my hard drive. I typically tend to do this once a month-ish, but I haven't done this in the last couple of months, so I definitely need to catch up. Aaj ka program was that I meet a friend of mine from college for dinner, her husband and Jerry as well, and I wasn't sure if I was going to be up to it, but I am, so I think I am going to be meeting them for dinner today. And then Karishma wanted to meet as well. I think, have you guys met Karishma? I don't know. If not, you guys will meet her tonight. Karishma was a very special place in my heart. Had a best friend called Neil who passed away around this time last year. And I remember I did one of those vlogs where I asked you all to just pray for a friend of mine who was struggling with a certain, health battle, and unfortunately he succumbed to sarcoma cancer last year in November. And I don't think I've talked about him or anything like that over here on YouTube, which is fine because it's just not something I want to get into. I remember I put up a post about him on Instagram at the time. But anyway, Karishma and I have been really close friends right since she got married to him and moved to Bombay, and I meet her and talk to her on a regular basis. So today she's coming over for a sleepover. She wanted to meet, and I already had dinner plans. So I said come over after the dinner because it's an early dinner scene anyway, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm resting my back, so I have literally like a pile of pillows over here collected behind me. And I need to call Jerry and ask him to pick up the D3, B12 supplements for me from the medical on his way back from the warehouse. Yeah, that's what's going on at the moment. Husband has come home early for me.
You want to tell them the truth? Go on.
The truth is that he came home early because last night while watching Money Heist, he went to sleep in the middle of the 9th episode, and there are 10 episodes. This is my very unflattering angle, but whatever. And he went to sleep. I finished the 9th episode and I said we'll watch the 10th episode together today. But when I forgot about it. I forgot about Money Heist altogether. And somebody said Money Heist something somewhere on TV or on some YouTube channel or whatever. I can't remember what I was watching, but Money Heist ka kahin to maine suna dekha, or Instagram. And I said, oh, my 10th episode is left. So I called him and I said, when you coming home? I want to watch the 10th episode. And he said, I'll come home, yeah, but if you don't want to wait or if you can't wait, you have nothing to watch while eating, watch it. Jerry, सच बोल दो लाइफ में. Did you or did you not tell me if you can't wait and all, just watch it, it's fine.
Courtesy sake. Huh? As a courtesy, you say these things. Now tell them what
Look me in the eye and say,
courtesy sake.
such a bloody liar.
I am admitting I said it.
See? Yeah, so I was looking for something to watch while having lunch. And I couldn't find anything.
पूरे Netflix में कुछ नहीं मिला इन्हें.
You said if you can't wait, then watch it. Oh no! So I watched it.
Which is why, as a couple, never pick a series to watch. Always pick a movie that you can finish in one sitting.
But this is very good Shadi advice you're getting right here. We can never watch a series together because he invariably falls asleep halfway through one of the episodes.
That's not true. It is not my fault if Netflix uploads half episode.
Shut up. He's so stupid, yeah. Why are you so stupid?
7 साल पहले पूछना था.
7 साल लगे realize करने में.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm re-watching the 10th episode with him.
Yeah, you better.
इसे कहते हैं सच्चा प्यार. Can I just tell you, it feels so good to be walking around the house because I've literally been either in bed or in the living room for the past couple of days. My back is actually feeling better. थोड़ा बहुत walk करके. I was craving Punjab Sweet House ka samosas. I swiggied them home. Punjab Sweet House, I have been eating at Punjab Sweet House. Sorry, this is a weird angle, but we'll just have to live with it for 2 minutes, okay? Okay, this is better, I think. I would swiggy. I have lived near Punjab Sweet House from age 15 to the time I got married, and even when I was younger, my dada's house was near Punjab Sweet House, so I was that side all the time. Even though I grew up at like Carter Road, I would go by all the time. My classes, tuitions, everything was that side. I had this random craving for Punjab Sweet House, and I just recently came to know that they're on Swiggy, which I did not know earlier. And their meetha chutney, like if you ever do have Punjab Sweet House samosas and stuff, their chutney, chef's kiss. So I Swiggied at home. Parukhala is not there, in case you're wondering. Her mom isn't doing too well since some time. She just got discharged from the hospital a few days ago. And I was telling her over the weekend, go and meet her. It'll be good for you. So I sent her to her sister's house where her mom lives with her. And she'll come back by night. She's very responsible. Like, she knows that if I'm samne se telling her to take the day off and all, she never takes advantage of stuff like that. She'll go, she'll meet her, she'll spend some time there, and she'll come back home. Oh god, this meaty chutney is just, it's everything. By the way, can I just make an admission here while I'm like vlogging and sharing stuff? And I'm so honest with you guys. I did consider making a Vlogmas trailer, like to post at the start of the every video, and वो दिमाग से पता नहीं कैसे रह गया, but मुझे जब realize भी हुआ था at some point, I said कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे कोई compulsion थोड़ी है कि सब करेंगे. And for the first time, I think I'm following Vlogmas, like watching other people's vlogs and really keeping up with Vlogmas. Leave a comment and tell me if you really enjoy watching Vlogmas content and daily vlogs and stuff like that. And if Vlogmas excites you more than otherwise. And I'm like, oh my god, everyone has a separate intro for Vlogmas except me. But it's okay, it's my first Vlogmas attempt. I felt a little silly for a moment, and then I was like, nope, don't be hard on yourself. Give yourself props for trying something, even though the views are very frankly quite shit for me here on YouTube. So I was like, it's okay, you do this because you love it. You don't even do this for the numbers, because there are no numbers. But next year when we do Vlogmas again, inshallah, there will be an intro. That I can promise you. Let me show you what my samosas. I ordered for 3 samosas. Jerry doesn't like samosas, but I ordered for one for him anyway, just in case he looks at this and gets tempted. I ordered for a kachori, because again, Punjab Sweet House kachori is bomb. And this. Da 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 da. Okay, I don't know why I'm singing the wedding march, but you get it. It's amazing. And it's time for the giveaway in this Vlogmas video. Go ahead and read all of the instructions mentioned on the screen really carefully and follow them to the T to be able to win this giveaway. All the best. Hi.
Hello.
Can I tell you the struggle I'm in right now? I have decided I want a Bavarian chocolate double scoop
Because you're boring as hell.
with
and you're not
waffle cone.
experimental.
No, I'm a dal chawal till you die person. एक बार मुझे कोई चीज पसंद है.
We'll ask her husband that about how happy he is. About
See?
not.
I'm a creature of habit. Okay, I am a creature of habit.
See, I'm choosing.
She is on
Okay, and
the
if I-
Swiggy
on-
app, not sponsored. She is on the Swiggy app since at least 10 minutes on Baskin Robbins. यानी
Not
तय
10
हो
minutes,
चुका
you're
है.
exaggerating. I wish this phone had a timer.
तय हो चुका
Divide
है.
by 2, 5 minutes. Baskin Robbins has a winter wonderland menu. I'm intrigued by the fact they have a flavor called My Mom is an Alien.
Not sponsored, guys. It's gonna sound like we're sponsored by Baskin Robbins, which you're not. But I should be. I really, of all
Yeah,
people,
you order in a lot.
I order in from Baskin Robbins all the freaking time. But literally at this point, I'll just keep talking to you, and she's still on the phone. Miss Karishma is still on the phone,
Wait for it. It's
figuring.
okay. You guys, if you guys have the time to watch the video, I'm sure you have the time to wait for me. Milk chocolate.
I don't know, because I don't eat either. I'm a sadharan Bavarian chocolate person.
Boring.
I love it. If you like chocolate, it's the best ice cream that Baskin has. And I love. Okay, she's finally decided what she's having. Wait, you didn't add whatever you wanted to cart.
No.
What an idiot. Which one?
Gold medal.
You want a half kg tub?
One small.
You're currently on the half kg tub.
No, I was in single scoop.
इतना time ले ही लिया है तो take a half kg tub ना.
So that मैं next time आऊँ तब के लिए रखा रहेगा.
You spent those last 5-10 minutes of Baskins before midnight taking order, and now nothing is available because they've shut shop. This is bloody hell.
What? You're not gonna get anything? Oh no. No, don't tell me. I want Baskin now.
Yeah. First bloody hell
I'll call up.
spend
I'll
all
call
this
them
time
up. I'll call
on
them up.
Oh, best coworker ever.
to nobody's surprise?
There's also popcorn happening over here, cheese popcorn and ice cream. So like sue us, but so Curry is trying to get me to taste her what flavor are you eventually what did you
It was a
what did you do your swayamvar of ice creams with?
stroke of luck because you just went tic-tac-toe and ordered this for me. It was your choice, not mine.
Shut up. Okay, this was your choice. Don't put it on me. What is it called? Gold medal. It wasn't my choice. And she's trying to get me to taste hers, and I'm like, I feel like I'm cheating on my Bavarian chocolate. You can have some of mine
No,
if you want.
Thank you very much.
See, same. I feel like I'm cheating on my Bavarian if I have something else. Like, ye to nahi hoga. Also, this weirdo is having cheese popcorn with her. Like, how are you this person? What are you doing?
Balance.
I thought I was weird because I like my popcorn at like PVR in the theater to be a mix of cheese popcorn with caramel popcorn.
That's what I always do. That's my
yeah,
flavor
but
too.
this is just.
So that's why caramel and cheese. This is caramel.
Also, I had some acrylic product overlift like being lifted off from this nail since yesterday. It basically chipped off from my nail. This is my nail, and my acrylic overlay product lifting ho raha tha, and it has come off. So I need to try and find time to see if the salon will take me tomorrow. I think this is the Swiggy guy with Jerry's ice cream. Ending this vlog a little bit sooner because बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया था. You will see part 2 tomorrow. But for now, the webfam comment shout out for the day goes to Disha Singh. Thank you so much for talking to me in the comments. You guys know I'm always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.